next DIY, you want to get yourself this mirror. I got this mirror from Michael's. I'm reusing it. If you use your coupon, you're probably gonna pay like $5 for it. Then I also got this one from Michael's, and with the coupon also, I think I paid like $2 or $3. Then I got some E6000 scissors, glue stick, glue gun. I'm gonna be using some of these little gems and also these. And then I got this ribbon from Hobby Lobby. I used my coupon, so I paid about $5 for it. This is a metal ribbon.
So we measured out the length of the metal trim that we wanted, and we basically measured around our round mirror, and we cut it around so that it's perfect, a perfect fit. And it's very easy to cut. You can use any scissors. And right now we're using the hot glue. When you're making this tray, you want to use the E6000. You can use the E6000 with the hot glue. We're just doing this for the purposes of the video so that we can get it done and show you guys how cute it's gonna turn out. And you do need a lot of patience to make this tray, because every portion that you do, you're gonna have to just wait, let it dry, and then, you know, put glue around the rest of it. And keep doing that, let it dry, put it back around. And then you're gonna let it dry. Just positioned how we want to put the little clear cubes, which are going to be the feet. And by the way, we're just holding the bottom with one hand, and then you're going to be putting the top, because this is not strong enough yet to hold. and like I said, we're just doing it like this for the video purposes. Normally you want to use E6000 to glue on the little legs, but we're just using the hot glue for the video. And it's very easy and simple. It just takes patience. Those are our legs on there. With this one, we spray painted this off camera. Look how pretty that looks with the gold spray paint. And with this tray, we actually do have from a different project, because this is one that we're recycling. And we have a foam board underneath, which it does make it easier for when gluing the little trim around the mirror. And again, we're just using the hot glue alone for the purposes of the video. Normally we want to do the hot glue and also the E6000, and you're going to want to let each piece dry before going on to the next section while gluing. And also be careful with your fingers, because they will burn if you're doing it like this. Only because the glue oozes out a little bit when you press down. And you want to be very patient with it. Now for these, we're going to be using the bigger size for the legs of this tray. It's a smaller tray. And again, you're going to want to use the E6000 for this, along with the glue gun. And you're gonna wanna let it dry like this for 24 hours when you're using the E6000. And look at how cute.
So I also made this one for my daughter. I didn't put it on camera because it's the same exact thing. It's just that this one is square. I used this mirror from Walmart that I already had. This is the mirror that I use for the reindeers. So I reuse everything.